SendPulse's automations lets you build complex automated flows based on subscriber action tracking, custom conditions, and the data you already have on each contact. The service lets you build pipelines not just for email, but also SMS, Viber, web push notifications, and chatbot messages in Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger to your automated campaigns, and track conversions automatically. You can trigger a flow from a variety of sources, adding a subscriber to a mailing list, an event from your website, creating or updating a deal in CRM, course registration, or entering a dynamic segment. Dynamic segments are automatically updated groups of contacts that are formed based on defined criteria and change in real time depending on contact actions. You can also install the SendPulse Pixel on your website, a script that tracks visitor actions in real time and passes those events to the service. For example, let's say you want to set up a flow where, after a subscriber is added to a mailing list, they receive an email asking them to choose a campaign topic. Follow-up emails are sent based on which link they clicked. To do this, set the start trigger in the editor, in our case, adding a subscriber. Configure a welcome email. Add the condition element to check whether the link was clicked, followed by the filter element, which branches the flow by subscriber interests. Another example is abandoned cart recovery. The pixel on your site detects that a visitor added a product but didn't complete the order and triggers a flow. An hour later, we send a reminder email with the cart contents. Then we add the condition element to check whether the purchase happened. If not, a day later we send another email, this time with a discount. If the purchase did happen, the goal element records the conversion and stops the series for that customer. Subscribers who haven't come back within a week can be added to a dynamic segment of inactive contacts, and you can launch a separate re-engagement flow for them later. One more example, event registration. A user submits a form on your site. The pixel or form passes the event to SendPulse, and the flow starts. First, a confirmation email is sent with event details. We add the pause element until the day of the event and set up a reminder 3 days before it starts. 1 hour before the event, we send the live stream link via SMS or a chatbot message. After the event, we add the condition element to check attendance. Subscribers who attended receive the recording and a feedback request, while those who didn't make it get a separate series with materials and an announcement of the next event. You can also use automations to build onboarding series, subscription expiration reminders, and special date greetings, pass data to your CRM via webhooks, and receive instant notifications in Telegram. Send your triggered, personalized campaigns with SendPulse.